We got a Honda 2021 Honda Civic. We end up installing the shock sensor add-on. Basically, they're stealing the rims and the catalytic converters out of these vehicles. So, and the airbags too. So we end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. So yeah, so you don't have to carry another remote control or anything. This is the shock sensor add-on. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on that rim so you can see when it fires off. All right, and I just armed it again. So it protects your whole car from bumper to bumper. Anybody bang on the windows, they try to go underneath the car and start using a soy saw, getting rid of all the exhaust system, yeah, the alarm will fire off. So yeah, this is a must if you have any type of Honda Civic to do the shock sensor add-on. Give it a few more seconds because the normal factory alarm says this installation was done here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you live out of state, give us a call and we can guide you how to get this installed as quick as possible. Thank you for watching this video. This is on the 2021 Honda Civic.